Wise men say it's like a rainy day. It crackle on the speaker and trickle down sleepy with rain. Hindi ko alam yata ito. Heavy eyes could hardly hold us, aching legs that open us. It's water, you're falling in love sometime. Full moon's bright, started feel that I could. We wrote it, played it, something happened. It's a strangeless feeling, hindi ko alam ng kata ko. An emotion that which Nagpunta ko na masyadong tono. Oh, we are falling in love sometime. Hindi ko na yan. Alam ko ito eh, nakalimutan ko. Hello, shout out. Ano bang gusto niyong kanta? Just the way you are, lovers. Pushing, pushing. Love me when you feel... Mama Lea, mag-request ka. Malapit na ako mag... Mama Lea. Wala akong makakita na mga ano eh, maiba-ibang kanta. Ano, more is fish. Oh, what is that? Fish, fish. More fish. Watching from Babes Love, Uncle. Ay, ako po, inantok na ako, Mama Lea. Kaya pa ako nangangal ng Mama Lea. Ano lang ako, magti 3 hours na ako. 30 minutes na lang pala tayo, guys. 30 minutes na lang, promise. Promise, Mama. Kata nga tayo ng ano. Gusto ko yung... Ano kakatayin ko, Mama Lea? Distance. Distance. Ito, hallelujah. Kantayin ko ito para kay Mang-Win. Hindi pa na. Yeah. Shout out, Uncle! I hear this was so significant that David played in a place the Lord, but you don't really care. Too young. But both like this, the poor, the big, the wonderful, and the fugitive, the Bible King, composing hallelujah, 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 the wind was strong, but we need the proof. It's always bad.